Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since we met. Actually, we were kind of busy nowadays. So today I'll tell you a sad news. A few weeks ago, when we went to Corfu, the Greek island, my husband's mobile was dropped on a hard surface. Though the screen remained intact, but the cameras on it were cracked. So he is using the Samsung S20 FE 5G version of the mobile since like many years, so he is a bit emotional about his mobile. So now I thought to surprise my husband by repairing his mobile and all by myself. I could have given him a new one, but it's kind of a emotional thing to my husband, so I ordered a replacement screen for the mobile camera, and I'm going to do it all by myself. So first I'll try to remove the cracked glass parts from the mobile, and yeah, you just need a hair dryer along with the kit which I ordered from Amazon. I'll also share the link of the replacement kit that I have ordered from Amazon. And now let's check it out, what's are inside in the package. So we already can see there is a tweezer and another thing which I don't understand right now. Okay, so we have a I think is the glass protection. So after installing the replacement the screen for the mobile cameras, I can install this glass protection. Okay, this is the inner surface of the camera. It just goes just above the cameras. So we have two sets of them. That's a good thing. And this is also that dust removal kit. So this also too we have received, and this is the glue that will go on the mobile screen, also on the replacement screen. Now I'll cut them both because I need to separate them anyhow. Now yeah, the things are ready. I'll keep the other set aside, so if later we need it, we can use it simply. So we also have a dusting wipe. It's actually maybe it will be useful this time. I'll keep the other set aside, so if needed I can use it later. First let's remove the glass part. Okay, for this one we need the hair dryer because you just need to apply some heat, and this is the tweezer we received along with the package. So the hair dryer you can use any, but I'll suggest to use the medium heat settings so that it doesn't get like too much hot when you try to heat the part of the camera. Basically why we need the hair dryer is just to it actually is the process of removing the glue that is just behind the broken glass parts, so it will be very helpful to use this one. Let's start. can understand it will be a tricky part to remove these broken pieces, but that's okay. We have some time in hand. So my daughter went to the daycare today and I have a little bit of time in hand, so I can do it easily right now without any distraction. It's ready. Now we just need to clean, because if there is any dirt, the glue won't stick to the surface and it will result like again we need to remove it and install the other one. So I just don't want to waste much more. So I'll keep aside the glass pieces. Now you can see there are some, I believe it's some kind of a dirt. So I'll use one wet tissue just to rub it off, the edges and everything, because the dirt, those needs to like go away. But you should not like use the wet tissue over the cameras, so just avoid that part, and otherwise you can just clean it. So I'll clean the surface because I need to put down the mobile before placing the replacement on it. Let's start with it. Okay. Now I'll use the dust removal, the sticker, because there I can see there are minor dust. It's not visible on the camera, but yes, I can see it. So let's use it and then I'll install the stuff I have right now. Cleaning the surface before installing the replacement is also a major thing, because as I told, like if there is any kind of a dirt or some like the glass piece is still there, so it will not stick. So here my husband also came, just he was surprised seeing this and he was trying to help me out with this. Now I'll try to add the glue, but I feel I need to figure it out, because there is no like manual how we should install it, kind of a situation for us right now. Yeah, I think I figured it out with the help of my husband, of course. So let's check it out. I will glue the replacement screen, the camera replacement part. Okay, and just add the adhesive to it, and you just need to remove the other part because it's a both-sided one, and it's kind of a tricky because the alignment should be perfect, so you need to have a closer look, and you have to be very careful. It seems like the glue doesn't want to come out, but yeah, finally it came out. Now it's time to install the replacement screen. Let's just do it very carefully and nicely, obviously. Yeah, so it's being installed now. I'm just rubbing it because it needs to glue properly. So once you start rubbing it, it gets little bit of heat, what I feel, and the glue started the adhesive started getting a stronger bond with the surface. So let's test the camera. How's it going? Yeah, I should have taken a video before, when it was the broken cameras situation. How was the video? But yeah, I forgot it. Yeah, so you can see it's quite a nice visual we can get right now. Okay, leave it off. So right now, yeah, I can see everything clearly. That's a cool part. Yeah, finally I can say it's successfully installed. So now it's time for the tempered glass protection for the camera. We'll do it right just in a minute. Just a second. And it's not a rocket science, so anyone can do it. This is what I understand right now, because we live in Netherlands and it's a costly affair when you try to get this kind of jobs done in a shop. It's quite a good amount of money you need to spend, so it's always better here to do it by yourself. Yeah, I think it fits perfectly. Yep. So after that you just need to push it and the bubbles will go out. Yep. Okay, I can see a little bubble. Just a minute. Yeah. So now testing part again. Yeah, so it's really nice.